And let's just go back to the beginning and press play. See what we've got. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So the next bounce was at 161. So let's go ahead and duplicate it again. Control D. Let's move that down. And then it's going to bounce again to 185. So let's do that again. Control D. Step 4. And there we go. So there we have it. And there's our ball bouncing down some steps. Now we haven't added any squash and stretch yet. And we would really need to. And in order to do that, I'll just show you how to do that here. I'll show you how to add some squash and stretch. So the ball is going to fly down. So let's have the ball kind of stretch out a little bit. Just like that. Actually, we need to keyframe that channel. So let's keyframe that at frame 101. That's the control bottom. And let's stretch it out a bit at 113, so we get a little bit of a stretch on it. That'll give it a kind of cartoony feel. And then when it hits the ground, let's squash it. And then let's stretch it out again when it bounces up. And then when it hits the top of that trajectory at 125, let's take that back to 0. And that will give us some squash and stretch. Something like that. And it'll make it feel generally more bouncy. So there you have it. Another thing we can do is add a camera. You could also add a floor down at the bottom. And you could also, if you wanted to have the ball come to a stop, having it roll to a stop, you could do different kinds of balls. Try making it look like a golf ball. Try making it look like a basketball. Different things to make it more interesting, more variable, get more variety into the animation. But that is a basic ball bounce tutorial. So have fun with it, explore it, try different things, see what you can get out of it.